We have a 30 years of legacy and we don't compromise in service and quality. That is our agenda. Hi, my name is Ruturaj Dhole Patil. I am a second generation business owner at Shivani Printers, located in Kasbapet, Pune. Shivani Printers is a commercial printing company. It is associated with publishers where we do a lot of books. We also work with schools and colleges where we provide stationery to them. Shivani Printers holds a very rich history where my father started this business as a screen printing company and then later moved on to offset printing.
नमस्कार, मी दीपक ढोले पाटील, शिवानी प्रिंटरचा मालक. आमचा प्रेस पुण्यामध्ये कसबा पेठेत आहे आणि आम्ही प्रिंटिंगची कामं करतो. मॅक्झिमम आम्ही जॉब वर्क्स आणि डायरेक्ट क्लायंट्ससाठी काम करतो.
Shivani Printers has been known for providing very good service and always prioritizing quality.
आणि आम्ही घेतलेले काम सुबक आणि वेळेवर कसं होईल आणि कसं फास्ट होईल याचा आमचा मेन मोटो असतो आणि आम्ही प्रयत्न करून त्यांच्यासाठी दिवस रात्र काम करतो.
Shivani Printers holds a 30-year legacy in the commercial printing market.
आम्ही आमच्या प्रेसमध्ये 15 वर्षापूर्वी CTP युनिट बसवलं. त्यावेळी आम्ही वॉलेट मशीन घेतलं.
So it had a lot of disadvantages to it, where this machine was using a lot of space and it also had to be kept in the dark, and we had to take a lot of care that these plates are not exposed to light, and also the machine would consume a lot of electricity. This made us think about changing this to a thermal CTP machine. When we were thinking about replacing the CTP machine, we directly thought about going for a Kodak, because Kodak is always known for its good reputation, and we thought about going forward with a thermal CTP machine of Kodak. After doing a lot of research on how to move ahead with the purchase, we found out about Inside Print Communications. Inside Print Communication helped us in the purchase of the Kodak VeriSet CTP machine, and also helped us with the installation of the machine. Until now, we have got a very good service from Inside team. It has been hassle-free, and since the service center is located in Pune, we have never faced any issues with timely service. This machine provides a lot of advantages, including it can be used in daylight, it requires less space, and also that it requires less electricity to run. This machine also provides us with sharper images, which translates to better quality and also happy clients.
आणि आता आम्ही गेले 1 वर्ष झालं कोडॅकचं व्हेरीसेट म्हणून मॉडेल घेतलेलं आहे इनसाइडकडनं. त्यामध्ये आम्ही आता फुल्ली सॅटिस्फाईड आहोत. त्यांची सर्व्हिस, क्वालिटी, स्पीड या सगळ्या गोष्टी कोडॅकचं मशीन घेतल्यामुळं आमच्या प्रोडक्शनमध्ये, क्वालिटीमध्ये फरक पडलेला आहे.